Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So now I'm Mehak in front of you all, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. So yes, I have come with a really exciting topic for you all today. This was very requested video as many of you texted me to make a video of one brand. So I chose Maybelline for this as I love most of the products from the Maybelline family. So by not wasting much time, let's get started with the video. So today we'll be doing this amazing look with all the Maybelline products, and I know you guys will like it. So keep watching. So my skin is just ready, just moisturize, and I have used a moisturizer from some other family as I'm not having anything from the Maybelline family. पहले मैं आइस करने के लिए Maybelline concealer use करूँगी. So I'm having two concealers right there. So I'll be using this today. So I have just used this Maybelline Fit Me concealer, which is in the shade 15 Fair. I know I'm looking like a joker right now. So next I'll be using this Fit Me loose powder to just set off my eyes. So I'll be taking the powder. I'll be just setting up my eyes. So next it's turn to do an eyeshadow, eye makeup. So for that I'm using this small palette which is from Maybelline itself. It's a just family of purple colors. So I'm having this from quite a long time. I haven't used it yet. So I'll be using this today. So it's having all the colors from the purple family, and even it has a small brush in this. Now I'll be taking the lightest color first and I'll be blending it on my eyes. So as you guys can see, I have just applied the lightest shade on the sides of my eyes and in the crease. So I'll be doing similar on this eye too. So yes, I'm done on the other eye too. So now I'll be taking a little darker shade like this one, and then I'll be just applying this on the ends of my eyes. And after that I'll be taking the same concealer which I used before. So I'll be taking this concealer and will be applying on my crease. Taking a flat brush. So I'll be taking the most lightest color from the same palette now. So this I'll be taking on the flat brush or on the finger. So I am taking a sponge applicator brush for this. अगर आप सिर्फ पर्पल आई मेकअप करना चाहते हैं then you can go with this. But someone gifted me this like I think 4 to 5 years back, and this is the first time I'm using this palette. So now the color is applied, but I need to just blend it from this. So I'll be taking a small pencil brush for this and then taking this color. I'm done with this eye, so now I'll be doing similarly on this eye too. So yes, I am done with eye makeup on both the eyes. So जैसे कि मेरे पास eyeliner नहीं है कोई भी Maybelline family से, line tattoo, this is a kajal. So I'll be using this on the lash line of my eye. So can you guys see, I just applied this. So now I'll be smudging it. So eyes are pretty much done. So now we'll move to the skin part. सबसे पहले हम foundation use करने वाला है, which is also from the Maybelline, and this is Super Stay Foundation, which is from Maybelline. This is my favorite one. मतलब I just use this in my daily basis life also, in my daily makeups also, in my videos too, on my clients too. So I just recommend this completely. You can trust me on this. So now I am done with the foundation, and next I'll be taking the same concealer which I used before. This is Fit Me concealer, which is in the shade 15 Fair. So I'll be taking this, और ये मैं हाईलाइट करने के लिए अपने फेस के सम पार्ट्स को I'll be using this. powder also. So now I'll be just taking the loose powder and I'll be fixing, and you can say I will be baking my under eye. So for that I am using this Fit Me powder. It's in the shade 20, but it's little darker as I needed little lighter shade, but we'll be going with this now. So I'll not be applying much as I don't want it dry. So I've just applied it in a very little amount. Till the baking sets, I'll be doing my lower lines. For that I'm using this pencil brush and the same eyeshadow kit. So yes, I'm done with the lower lash line also, and now I'll be filling little bit of kajal on the ends of my eyes to leave it just a little dramatic look. I don't apply kajal much as I got just watery eyes like you can see. So yes, moving to our mascara. So I'll be doing the lashes now, which I'll be doing with the Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This also I'm having from quite a long time. I used this before like so many times, but from last few days I'm not using this. So I'll not be applying any falsies today. So this mascara worked very well on my lashes. Yes, I want you to come a little closer and have a close-up look of my eye and how this mascara worked on my eyes. Now I'll be just dusting off this loose powder under my eye. So now I'm not having any contour kit or the blusher kit from the Maybelline, but yes, I'm having this Maybelline lipstick, which is Super Stay Matte Ink. So I'll be using this as a contour. So as this is a matte lipstick, so this will get dried fastly. So you need to take care. If you are using this trick also, then you have to just apply one eye and then blend it fastly. So can you guys see, even without having none of the kit from Maybelline, so I just did my contour as well as a little bit of the blush also. So now similarly I'll be doing it on my other parts too. So yes guys, now I am done with little contouring my face with the lipstick, as well as I just added the blusher with that too. So now moving forward to the highlighter. So for that I'll be using this highlighter, which is from Maybelline Master Chrome. This is really amazing. It comes in different colors, but I am having this rose gold shade. So I'll be showing you how this looks. So I'll be taking this fluffy brush. I'm just loving this highlighter, how glowy effects this is giving to me. So now moving forward to the lipstick. So for that I'm using this same shade, which is from Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink. So its shade number is 70 and its name is Amazonian. So now I'll be applying this on my lips. How beautifully this shade just comes out. I am loving this, and I'm just loving this complete look which I did with all the amazing products from Maybelline family. This look was not at all decided before. Just before starting the video, I just opened up the kit and started doing this, and I'm so much in love with the end results. I'm just loving this look. Just have a close-up look. I hope you guys like this too. And yes, if you guys like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video or comment down below what next you guys want to see. And yes, let's be friends on Instagram too. And I assure you all, you will be loving the content there too. I'll be coming up with great content. I'll be coming up with great videos. Stay tuned for that, and goodbye till next time.